loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way.
Let's hope that your day's going good. And today on DNA Fisherman, I will be doing a reel review. Yes, this is one of my cheap surf reels. This is an Ocean Reef 16. It's an OR60. I've hooked stingray sharks on accident, but so close to getting them. Just 200 yards off bank. Like, so close. Like, I can almost touch them with the bullet. Okay, I will be doing a review on that and the best bait hooks for docks, piers, and all this. I use these little salmon hooks, whatever you want to call them, for bait, like small bait for saltwater and fresh. They're just these little micro hooks. As you can see, they're smaller than my pinky fingernail. Look, my pinky fingernail. These are the hooks. No joke. No joke. They're, number 12 micro hooks. Okay, it's 12.35 because, you know, have this thing. Everything's backwards in the camera, but that's alright. Because this is my right hand, and this is my left. This is my middle. Oh wait, I don't cuss. And tell me if I should do another review or if I should start playing games like Cabela's, because I'm not going to be able to do much outside stuff. But yeah, it's 12:36 at night. Oh, shout out to Pro Gamer on his fishing videos. After I learn how to put a link in the description of videos, I definitely will let y'all know. Bye, peace.